So hello everyone, my name is Aman Seni and I am with my teammate Akash Chatterjee and Swaminath Behra. We have made a website on Travel Companion. It is a platform to find companions for IIT Jodhpur students. The main objective of the project is to create a secure online platform that facilitates shared transportation for college students, starting with rides between key locations like IIT Jodhpur and Jodhpur Junction. Users can post when they are looking for companions for a ride, and others can search for available rides to join. To ensure privacy and safety, the platform offers gender-specific pairing options. Female users can choose to travel with female partners only, and same goes for males also. And it also has an additional co-ed options available in which both of them can travel together. No personal details are shared among users. The platform can also include a database of trusted auto rickshaw drivers operating within the IIT Jodhpur campus. The final aim is to apply containerization using Docker and virtualization using based on Fedora Virtual Machine and VirtualBox as compared the performance metrics of our website. So this is how our project overview will be. We have made a website, then containerization, then virtualization, then the performance metrics on Apache benchmark. So this is the sequence diagram. It shows how our user will be interacting to this particular platform. So this is how our website will be look like. First we need to register, then the login page, then this is all the options we have. Then it is the create a new ride thing in which we have a particular locations for now. These are the available rides to join, and it is if we have joined any ride or not. Then these are the auto rickshaw drivers details. So this is the containerization will be look like, and this is on Docker desktop, and this is our virtualization machine. And from now on, my teammate will be carry on from here.
So, hello everyone, I am Akash Chatterjee and I will be continuing on from the presentation from now on. So first we use the python app.py command to run the Flask app. So in our project report, we had promised a few things that we wanted to implement. One of the key ones being that to ability to show your own rights. So these are the rights that we had already enrolled in from before. Then the ability to create a new ride. So we will test it out just now. As we can see, we can enter all the details as needed. So we have posted the ride, and now if you want to, we have already joined this as well directly when we post a ride. So as you can see, the ride is available here. Next, we can also search for available rides that are in our database, and we can join rides. So as we had already joined this one, it will show us we have already joined this ride. So let us just check once. So yeah, this is how we can join new fresh rides, and we will try to join the ride from using another account as well. So let us try that once. So yeah, so I will search a ride, and yeah, as you can see, now it will show us that we have joined the ride. So yeah, we can also opt out from rides using this button. This is the page showing the details of the auto rickshaw drivers. This is the contact us page, and this is the about us page. So the things that we have promised for our project, we have successfully implemented those. So thank you, and my teammate Swaminath will carry over.
So hello everyone. So as Akash has already demonstrated you how you can run this app directly onto your machine, I will continue from here and show you the steps for containerization. So we have used Docker for containerizing our app. Let's see, we have already created an image. We can see list the images by docker image list command. Let's see. So this was our image. Now to run this image, we have this command docker run. I'm just gonna run this. So yeah, you can see we have instantiated our container with one CPU and memory of 2 gigs. Let's try to see if it's serving our requests. Yeah, so you can see it's up and running, and you can always use the website similar to running it on your local machine. Now let's try to benchmark this and see how much request this container can able to serve. So we are gonna create a new terminal, and let's try to benchmark it we are using Apache Bench for benchmarking our container. So I'm gonna bombard it with 100 connections, 100 concurrent connections, and 1000 requests. Let's run it. Okay, it seems there is some command issue. Let's open a new terminal and do the same again. Yeah. So yeah, the bombarding has started. We are doing 1000 requests, so let's be some patient. Yeah, so it's done. You can see that we had a concurrency level of 100 and have completed 100 requests, 1000 requests successfully. These are the connection and processing time, and the longest request took around 2787 milliseconds, 2087. So now let's stop this container and move on to virtualization. So I'm just gonna see docker ps. This is our container running. This is our container ID. To stop this container, we have the command of docker stop, and just gonna input this container ID. Yep, let's verify docker ps. Yep, it stopped. Now let's move to the VirtualBox and see how our Fedora VM performs. So our Fedora VM also has the same configuration of 2 gigs memory and one virtual machine, one virtual CPU, sorry. And yeah, let's try to run it here. So we have cloned our repository in this virtual machine using git clone, and we have moved inside this directory. Now, similar to running on our local machine, we will be using Python 3 app.py to start this server. And you can see our Flask server is running and able to serve the requests. So if I go to my rights, you can see it's running. We'll do the benchmarking here also. Let's try to run it in a new terminal. So terminal, new window. We are using the same benchmarking to get consistent results across these two approaches. Let's run the benchmarking. And you can see the request going, and our server is serving those. So these are the results that we will be compiling later in our report to better compare them side by side. We have done the same benchmarking parameters, like 100 requests with 1000 requests with 100 concurrent connections, and these are the results. ये रीटेक करूँगा मैं, रुक जा. Alright, thank you so much for your time, and yeah, bye.